Have you ever been out on a shoot and forgot to charge your batteries? Well, let me tell you about this little thing here that saved my bacon more times than I can count. What's going on, everybody? I'm Glenn, and today I am giving you my thoughts on the Anker PowerCore Essentials 20,000. This little pocket-sized beast of a battery has 20,000 milliamps of storage capacity, which is enough to charge my Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus 4 times. It has 2 USB ports, one Type A and one Power Delivery IQ Type C. Now let me tell you, the USB Type C is where all the magic happens. The Type C, it gives you 18 watts of power delivery, enough to charge the Canon R6 or any other camera that has the ability to be charged through the USB port. Also, because it has 2 ports, obviously you can charge 2 devices at once, and both of them will be fast charging at 15 watts. Now, fast charging this monster battery can be a challenge. Most of us have the, fast charging 15 watt plugs. Problem with that is they take almost 20 hours to charge. But let me tell you, Anker has a solution for that. With Anker's 60 watt power port. The power port allows you to take this from dead to fully charged in about 7 hours. Oh, and on that, the power port can also give you constant power to any camera that has the ability to be charged by USB. So I would call that a win-win. This review is not sponsored at all by Anker. I went out on Amazon, purchased this because I saw the value in it, the ability to let me get out there and keep my kit light. So that's it for this review. If you liked this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up. If you want to see more reviews about the gear I use, click the subscribe button down below, or leave a comment and start a conversation. We'll see you in the next one.